I'm Adam Chernick, R&D lead for AR/VR at Shop Architects in New York City.
I'm Christopher Morse, Associate of Interactive Visualization at Shop Architects in New York City.
I was always in architecture. I thought that I was going to go the traditional route, and then I found out about augmented reality. And my first thought was, I need to learn how to do that.
Designers are constantly iterating and constantly changing their designs, and so they'll give me something on one day and I have to import it, bring it into Unity, and then by the next day it's already changed and I have to go through that entire process again. Now with Reflect I don't. I don't have to do anything. I just build it once. They just have to hit the button on their end to send the data and it's done.
My reaction was, wow, this is what we've been waiting for.
I think we spent like just half an hour moving something in Revit, and it moves over here, and move another thing, and it moves over here. It was a lot of fun just to play with that. After watching things move, we take something else that we'd already built and just drag and drop the Reflect package in there and watch it work.
This is a very, very welcome technology for us.